guys, Dennis here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 2-inch Cowl induction steel hoods by Resto Parts, original Parts Group's in-house brand. These hoods are stamped out of heavy gauge steel and feature a 2-inch raised center for that custom muscle car look, while maintaining the original style, shape, and contours for each year application. Each hood also features all the correct factory mounting holes for moldings, emblems, and hood hinges where applicable. In addition, every hood receives electrodeposit primer, also known as EDP coating. EDP coating protects against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to sand and paint your hood without worrying about potential rust. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.